This is our final recording for today's lesson. We're now just going to have a quick look at something that's slightly different. So here we've split the shape into four. We can see that they've all been split into four. So we know that our denominator is 4. Every one has been split into 4 parts. So in here we can see that all 4 have been shaded. So we would say 4 over 4. So 1 is equal to 4/4. Okay, so what about this one here? Well, our denominator is still the same, it is 4. And what's our numerator? Well, there's 2 parts shaded, 1, 2, so it's 2 over 4. Now you may have spotted that we can simplify this, but we're going to come back to that later. So let's have a look at this final shape. So we still know each of them have been split into 4 parts. So how many parts in total have been shaded? We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 parts. 11 parts have been shaded. So that is 11 quarters in total. This is called an improper fraction. It's not the only way that we can write this though. There is another way that we can write it, which I'm just going to show you. Now you may have noticed, well here I've got one whole one and I've also got one whole one there. So we could say I've got 2 whole shapes and then we'll look at this one as a fraction. So here we still know that our denominator is 4. And we know that there's 1, 2, 3 parts shaded. So we would write this as a mixed number and it's 2 whole parts and 3/4 of one. Okay, I would like you to have a go at this one. Can you pause the video and write down this as an improper fraction first and then have a go and see if you can write it as a mixed number? So pause the video. Okay, so you should have paused the video and worked that out, so you should now have an answer. So the first thing we're going to do is have a look at this as an improper fraction. So how many parts have I split this square into? We've split it into 4 parts. Okay. And how many have I got shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quarters. So I have 7 quarters in total as an improper fraction. But I also know that this is equivalent to 1 whole. And over here, how many quarters have I got? 1, 2, 3. So 7 quarters is the same as writing 1 whole and 3 quarters.